Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the flight tracker application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. So in this application, you basically can track flights. So in the map, you will be able to see all the flights that you can track. You can also search for flights using the route or the flight code and track them that way. You can add flights if you have, and in the settings button, you can set different features, general settings. You can set units if you want to. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.